Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to build a complete WordPress website in just minutes using 10 Web AI website builder in 2025. No coding needed, super beginner friendly and lightning fast. Let's dive right in. TenWeb is an AI-powered website builder that uses artificial intelligence to build and host fully responsive WordPress websites perfect for businesses, freelancers, or agencies. It builds your website based on a few simple inputs and you can customize everything visually. First of all, go to 10web.io and click Get Started for free. Sign up with Google or your email. Click Proceed. Now click Create a website and choose AI Builder. The AI will now ask a few questions. What kind of website are you building, like photography, online store, portfolio, your business name, a short description? Do you need contact forms, booking or e-commerce? Once you fill that in, click create website and in just a minute, the AI will generate a complete website layout for you. Once your site is built, Once your site is built, you will be taken to the 10 web dashboard. Now enter your prompt like photography, then click generate. Now preview your website from here. You can add new sections clicking by add new section and select from section uh, and select section from here like gallery section and it will generate it, and go to next and click on next button, then preview your site and click on generate button. And now sign up with your email or Google account. Click continue and it will processing. Preview your new homepage, edit 10 webs, drag and drop editor built on Elementor, manage hosting, backups, and performance. Let's check out the editor now. TenoApp isn't just a builder, it's packed with built-in tools for that. Click plugins to enable like forms for contact or signups, WooCommerce for to turn your site into an online store, SEO tools to optimize your content for Google Analytics to track your site performance. Everything is tightly integrated so it just works, no extra setup needed. Your site is hosted on Google Cloud, so you get a super fast loading, free SSL for security, daily backups, automated updates, and that's it. You have just built and customized a complete WordPress site using TenoApp AI Builder in 2025. Try different industries in the AI prompts to see various layouts. Use the free trial or pro plan to explore before upgrading more expensive. Check out the AI writing feature to auto-generate page content too. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full walkthrough on adding e-commerce or email marketing to your Teno website. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.